Hi everyone, Laura Macknick here. I hope you had a great summer and are enjoying the start of fall. Personally, this is my favorite time of the year, not just because of the crisp air and the changing leaves, but also because football season is back. You will definitely find me cheering on Purdue and Notre Dame, and of course my Green Bay Packers. As much as I love game days, I'm just as excited about the important work happening here at the Don Wood Foundation. I'd like to take a few minutes to share some updates on 3 areas we've been focusing on lately. First, the Don Wood Legacy Project. This has been a very special undertaking for us. For those of us who knew Don personally, this project meant so much. What makes it a powerful opportunity is that many voices include our staff, our board, Don's family and close friends, community members that knew Don and were shaped by his vision. It's essential to us that everyone, even those who never had the opportunity to meet Don Wood, can experience a glimpse of who he was and why his legacy continues to inspire our work. We're not ready to release the full story just yet, but I couldn't resist sharing a little sneak peek with you today. Wow, we sure can't wait to share the rest of the story with you. Be assured, there's more to come. Next, I want to highlight our Ignite Your Future Scholarship and Grant Program. Don Wood always envisioned the foundation as a vehicle for student achievement, and this program is one way we honor that vision. Through partnerships with most community foundations in the region, as well as organizations such as the Literacy Alliance and the Steuben County Economic Development Corporation, we're helping students throughout Northeast Indiana pursue degrees, credentials, and certifications in areas including advanced manufacturing, technology, leadership, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Besides financial support, this program also builds a network of partners who come together to share ideas, best practices, and strategies that truly make a difference for learners in our region. It's one of the ways that we're ensuring opportunities are accessible to students who are ready to take their next steps. Finally, I want to share some exciting news about the Coalition for Advancing Postsecondary Education and Training, or CAPET. After more than a year of hard work and collaboration with numerous dedicated partners, we will be hosting our final meeting of the year with the CAPET Summit, a future-ready region. I'm pleased to share that registration is now open, and the event will take place on November 20th at the Mirro Center. It will bring together leaders, educators, employers, and community members to reflect on what we've accomplished and where we plan to go next. It's a milestone moment for this initiative, and we are so grateful to be part of it alongside of the Questa Education Foundation. More details will be shared in the coming weeks. As we head into fall, I want to thank you for supporting the work of the Don Wood Foundation. Whether it's honoring Don's legacy, empowering students through scholarships, or building better access to learning through CAPET, everything we do is about creating opportunities and a stronger future for our community. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon, and until then, boiler up, go Irish, and go Pack Go.